Giraffe compatibility on tablets depends on the tablet's operating system, the app version available, and whether the device meets the app's requirements. By the end, you'll know how to check if your tablet supports Giraffe, what to do if installation fails, and how to fix common compatibility problems. The first step is checking your tablet's app store. Search for Giraffe and review the installation page. The store listing shows whether the app is available for your specific device and operating system. Android tablets and iPads can have different compatibility results because they use different systems. A tablet may have enough storage and a large screen, but still not support an app if the operating system or device model is not supported. If Giraffe does not appear in the store, the issue may be caused by device restrictions, software version requirements, or availability settings. The message shown by the App Store usually explains why the installation is unavailable. The second step is checking your tablet software. On Android tablets, open Settings and look for the System Update section. On iPad, open Settings. Select General, then Software Update. Keeping your tablet updated can help with app compatibility. If the app installs but does not work correctly, check your internet connection and restart the device. App tracking and reward features often require a stable connection to communicate properly. Another thing to check is your account access. If you already use Giraffe on another device, make sure you sign in with the same account details if the app provides account syncing options. Tablet performance can also affect your experience. Older tablets may have slower processors, limited memory, or outdated software that makes some apps run poorly, even if installation is possible. The best way to avoid problems is to check compatibility before spending time installing games or using reward features. Confirm that the app installs, opens correctly, and tracks activity as expected. App support can change when developers release updates or change device requirements. The current App Store listing on your tablet provides the most accurate compatibility information. To summarize, check the App Store listing, keep your tablet software updated, and test that Giraffe works correctly after installation. Your next step is to open your tablet's App Store and search for Giraffe to check if your device is supported. If this guide helped, subscribe for more app fixes, comparisons, and earning app guides.